Hey you guys, I'm going to quickly show you how I was able to remove this purple tint from my 613 wig to look like this. And it was a very simple thing. So let's get right into it. So let me just quickly tell you, this is how it started off. Had my 613 wig, used my purple shampoo to tone it, but I left it in the sink way longer than I should have. Went to the store and all of that. No, not a good idea. So this is what it ended up looking like once I took it out of that shampoo mixture. Definitely not what I was going for. This was a complete fail. I was so frustrated, but I wanted to record it because I figured this might help somebody. So this is what it looks like dry. It doesn't look as purpley because I think my ring light is making it not look as prominent, but it you could still see it. It was very obvious, and for the color I was trying to go for, as far as coloring my wig later, I couldn't have this purple, and you'll see why at the very end. So this is what it looked like. I found that someone said use lemon juice to get it out, so I tried that. Y'all, that's a no. I'm just quickly letting y'all know now, this is not what removed it. I'm just showing you because this is me recording everything. But this is what I tried first, conditioner and lemon juice. It just did not work for me. All it did was tone it down maybe a notch. I wasn't going for that. I wanted it to be removed. But this is me just kind of mixing it up and applying it. Y'all, I felt like I was just wasting product. But whatever, I wasted it, so y'all don't have to do that. I'm telling y'all, this didn't work for me. It may work for somebody, but it didn't work for me. So someone else said, use Dawn detergent. I was like, okay, I got that. Tried it. Y'all, once again, more product being wasted, but it's cool because this gonna help somebody. That didn't work. As y'all can see, it's just toned down a little bit, but it's still purple. No, not what I'm going for. So I found another video and they said use bleach, 30 volume developer, and BW2 powder. I mixed it up, added a little shampoo because they said add a little shampoo. I added probably a little more shampoo than I needed to, but whatever. I added my shampoo, and you'll see me adding these extra pumps, which just wasn't necessary. Again, wasting product. But this is the process when you are doing trial and error and just learning. It's just a part of the process. So mixed it all up, applied it, and you'll see me apply it in a minute. The consistency was a thin enough paste where it would be evenly distributed through the hair. And this is what it looks like. I was very surprised and very pleased. Now, I did notice that there were still some undertones in there of that purple, but that was because I didn't leave it on long enough. I think I probably could have left it on for maybe another 10 minutes. I probably had this on for all of 5 minutes. I didn't snatch it off her head, but I took it off, and I'm just showing you a close up of what it looks like. It's just so much better, and I'm going to show you in another clip side by side so you can see what it was before and how much of a difference that was. So clearly you could see that purple undertone is for the most part removed. Had I left it on there a little bit longer, I'm sure it would have probably just removed 100%, but I was scared that the hair would, be messed up. So I was like, I'm good with the little 10 minutes I had it on there for. If you're curious to know how I got that wig to look like this, let me know, and I will show you a tutorial of how I turned that wig that we just saw me transform from the purple undertones to this beautiful winter solstice unit. But again, just let me know if you're interested, and I'll be happy to do a video. That's just me being silly with my wig, girl. All right, y'all. Bye.